Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Building castles in the sky. Just the two of us. You and I. Hey there, I'm Niall. And today I'm going to show you a fingerstyle version of Bill Withers' 1980 classic, Just the Two of Us. If you haven't seen it already, check out Dr. Evil and Mini-Me, they did a great version of it. The song was originally recorded in F minor, so please don't correct me in the comments. I've arranged it here in E minor. If you want to play it in the original key, just pop a capo on fret 1. So let's get into it.
Very nice.
Now, for the verse and chorus, you just need a handful of chords. And if you'd like to do that beautiful sax break with the descending major 7, dominant 7 sequence under it, I've arranged all that for solo guitar as well, but that's nearer to the end of the video. It's all laid out here in tabs below, so follow them carefully. And the fingerstyle for the verse is extremely simple. It's just a pinch on each chord. So what I mean by that is you pluck the bass with your thumb, whatever the bass is for that chord, and you pluck the 3 treble strings with these 3 fingers, like this. So the chords are C major 7, B7, E minor, D9, G7, and that extra chord in the chorus is a B7 first inversion. So your verse goes like this, slowly. Just follow the tabs below and you'll see what I'm doing. C major 7, B7, E minor, D9, G7, C major 7, B7, E minor. And after that E minor, you give 3 staccato plucks on the bass string, like this. So let's play the verse slowly. You do all that twice and then you're into the chorus. Right hand pattern for the chorus is slightly more complicated. And the extra chord is a B7 first inversion. Now if you don't know what an inversion is, check out my video up here where I explain all of that. But effectively, a B7 first inversion is a B7 over D sharp. It's just 3 fingers and it's like this. Now you need to get a little bit funky with the right hand on the chorus. So very slowly it goes like this. And up to speed. Alright, so here's that sax break. Now it's a bit of a handful, but most of it is a repetition of the same pattern. So the first half of the sax break involves a C major 7, like this. 7th fret on the first string, 8th fret on the second string, 9th fret on the third string, and hook your thumb over on the 8th fret on the 6th string. And you can either pinch those 4 strings or you can gliss them like this. Hear the difference? Pinch or gliss. Entirely up to you. With that C major 7, you need to be ready to add your pinky on the 10th fret on the second string. And it goes like this. Next thing, you got a B major bar chord. It's an E shape, bar the 7th fret. You pluck the 3 treble strings together, then you do an arpeggio 6, 5, 4, 5, 6. Like this. That first bit goes. Now, good news! The next bit is exactly the same, just everything moves down 2 frets. It goes like this. Next bit is pretty much the same, but there's a slight change at the end. Down 2 frets and be ready to add on a 6th fret on the 2nd string. And it goes like this. And here's the turnaround. You got a C bar chord, E shape, 8th fret up here, but only plucking the 6th down to the 3rd string, like this. Then, same chord, but take the bar off and just bar the 2 treble strings, like this. Then you play an F6. You get that with 8th fret on the 5th string and the 10th fret on the 4th down to the 1st strings, like this. So that little part goes. Next bit gets slightly more involved. So you got a C major 7 normal shape. Be ready to add in the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, like this. Then a B7. B major 7, just 3 strings, like this. A. A flat major 7. C shape, just 5th and 4th strings. Then 6, 5, 4, 3. And an F6. So that's just an F with the 3rd fret added on the 2nd string. And you pluck 6, 4, 3 and 2. So all of that goes like this. And then you're back around into a verse. And that's how you play Bill Withers' Just the Two of Us from 1980. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to like below. Drop a comment if there's any favourite song of yours that you'd like me to do a video on. Watch a similar video up here, my latest up here. Subscribe to the channel here. I'm Niall. Thank you again for watching. Learn a tune a week and build up your chops.